Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I am doing our first videos on Royal Alloy scooters. Now this is a new brand to us. Royal Alloy of course has been around for some time. It's relatively new to me actually, and I have to say I'm really impressed with the quality of these bikes, which is why we've taken them on. It's a totally different style of bike to what we're currently selling scooter wise, obviously harping back to the Vespa era. And yeah, really happy to be on board with Royal Alloy. So I'm just doing a few videos to talk you through the range and try and tell you a few of the features, but I'm sure at this point you've probably already done your research and you know quite a bit anyway. So this is the GT125 AC. So they do a water-cooled version of this. This is the air-cooled version. This is probably one of the more entry-level scooters that they do. Starts at I think 2,999 is the retail price for these, and they go all the way right up to over 4 grand. Single cylinder 125cc belt driven, produces about 9.5 brake horsepower, which is, you know, fairly average for this style of bike. Comes in a multitude of colours, which obviously we can't stock, but we can order you pretty much any colour you want. This is what we've got at the moment. So this is the kind of Night Rider scheme, if you want to call it that. It's a gloss black with red stripes. Looks absolutely fantastic. Camera probably just doesn't do it justice. Like with most scooters, this has got 12-inch wheels. It's got dual shocks which are adjustable, so you can adjust the preload on the front suspension. So if you're like me on the heavier side, you might want to make some adjustments there. Comes with tubeless tyres, and as you can see, it's got the proper Vespa retro look. It's got LED indicators that are set into the fairing, and a traditional looking bulbed headlight, which looks really nice actually, because it's got the Royal Alloy emblem inset into the inside of the lens there. It's a really nice retro bike. This is, we've got a bit of a cult following. Loads and loads of accessories that you can buy for these, like mats that go in the footwell and aftermarket exhausts. Everything that you can possibly think of for these bikes is pretty much available. So anything that you want, please let us know and we will do our research and we will try our best to accommodate any extras that you want fitted to the bike. Obviously, being a 125cc bike, a lot of people are not going to need a pillion. You could take a pillion on this if you really wanted to, but really this is a one-person bike. Comes with a nice little luggage rack on there. It's got the incorporated indicators in the rear fairing. One of the differentiating factors between this and some of the more expensive models is that this comes with plastic bodywork as opposed to metal bodywork, so that's where you're saving some of your money, but to look at, you would never know. And the build quality, I have to say, is pretty exceptional at this price point. I'm really impressed with it. If we come around this side, it's pretty much the same, to be fair. You can see this is the logo here, Grand Tourer 125. Dual shocks, so you can see the brake calipers there come with braided lines. No ABS on this model. The ABS does come on some of the more expensive bikes, but this will come with obviously separate front and rear brakes, as any normal traditional scooter would do. Comes with a centre stand and a side stand, as you would expect, and just looks really cool, doesn't it? There is something about this kind of mods and rockers era that people still love, and I'm really into it. I think it looks really cool. Nice little we call this glove box here, so there's a bit of area here for you to store your bits and bobs, and then obviously you get 2 keys and everything like that. I mean, it's no thrills, isn't it? You know, you're not going to get loads of electronic wizardry. It does exactly what it says on the tin. The dash looks really cool. It's kind of retro, but it's modern. It's digital. It just gives you the information that you want. You don't want loads of information. You don't want loads of stuff cluttering up the dash on this. This is all about simplicity, and it does it really well. It's a really nicely made machine, I have to say. We are stockists of, or will be stockists of, the entire range. We're building our stock at the moment, so if you're interested and you want to come and have a look at a few bikes, you can pop in and have a look. Obviously the range is so big, and there are so many colorways available that we can't stock them all, but we can certainly get you any colorway you want if we don't have the one that you want in stock. We offer all the usual dealer facilities, so finance, part exchange, delivery, all that kind of stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, or if you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias. You can pick up the phone and ask us any questions that you've got, or feel free to drop into the showroom and try the bike on for size. That's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.